Let's learn ang, uses, and examples. Ang. Ang is a word used before a noun. It is to show that the noun is the subject or the main topic of the sentence. How do we use ang? We put ang before common nouns, things, animals, people, but not personal names. It tells us that this noun is the main subject or the thing being talked about. Examples. Number 1. Ang bata, the child. Number 2. Ang iro, the dog. Number 3. Ang libro, the book. Example phrases. Number 1. Ang bata nagdula. Ang bata nagdula. The child is playing. Or nagdula ang bata. The child is playing. Ang shows that bata, child, is the subject. Number 2. Ang iro nagkaon. Ang iro nagkaon. The dog is eating. Or nagkaon ang iro. The dog is eating. Ang shows that iro, dog, is the subject. Number 3. Ang libro gibasa. Ang libro gibasa. The book was read. Or gibasa ang libro. The book was read. Ang shows that libro, book, is the subject. Summary. Ang marks the subject or topic, common nouns. It helps understand who or what the sentence is about.